wrong when every step becomes a song. Round and round the rhythm plays, we all get caught in them waves.
Souls locked up in a digital cage. Digital chains, oh they hold us tight. Flashing lights, steal the stars at night. Digital chains can't break, can't fight. Who's the master when the code arrives Once we ran barefoot on the ground. Now we're scrolling, spinning all around. Eyes to the glow, hearts fade away. Trading sunsets for a pixel display. Echoes of a time when we knew the breeze. Now it's all static, no rustling trees. Digital chains, oh they hold us tight. Flashing lights, steal the stars at night. Digital chains can't break, can't fight. Who's the master when the code writes light? Wires creep like vines on the wall. Silent whispers, they call, they call. Can we cut them loose, let the earth reclaim? Or are we bound forever to the digital flame? I found a map torn at the seams, a treasure marked in faded dreams. the trade winds blow. The sun sets slow, the moonrise glows. A path unfolds where nobody knows. Look of the horizon, pages wide, telling me stories the waves can't hide. Look of the horizon, read the tide, guiding my soul where the stars collide. Echoes of drums in the island breeze, whispered secrets from the ancient sea. The earth it hums, the sky replies, a melody sung where the spirit flies.
Wind it whispers low, 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 carrying secrets I used to know. A rhythm in the trees, it starts to grow. Oh, calling your name, calling your name, calling your name. Every beat, every wave, all the same. Calling your name, calling your name. Like fire in my veins, I can't take. The stars they wink in riddles bright, guiding me through the thick of night. A drumbeat echoes, hearts take flight. Can't run, can't hide, can't deny. This pull like the tide, it won't lie. Calling your name, calling your name. Every beat, every wave, all the same. Calling your name, calling your name. Like fire in my veins, I can't take. The earth it hums a bassline low. Roots dig deep where the rivers flow. A chant of old, a sound I know. Forever moving, it steals the show. journey's end. I hear the earth hum a secret tune. Under the sun, under the moon, earthward calling, calling me. Whisper low like an old oak tree. Earthward calling, calling you. What's the truth? What's the view? The wind tells tales to the rolling sea, leaves write poems in the canopy. The soul remembers every step we take, every dream, every ache. It's not a cry, it's not a shout, just a murmur spiraling out. Earthward calling, calling me. Whisper low like an old oak tree. Earthward calling, calling you. What's the truth? What's the view? Listen close to the roots that speak. Feel the poems, feel the beat. Silent wisdom, loud and true. The earth words waiting here for you. The sun dips low, it paints the sky. Smoke curls up like dreams that fly. The earth speaks soft, its voice is deep. A secret language we all keep. Herbal, the soul, it makes me whole. Fire, it burns and the stories roll. Breathe it in, let the rhythm flow. Herbal, the soul, where the good vibes grow. Roots run strong through the soil we tread. The drumbeat lives, it's never dead. The stars lean close, they watch us sway. Night turns to music in this ballet. Oh, the wind, it hums the ancient tune under the spell of the silver moon. Herb of the soul, it makes me whole. Fire, it burns and the stories roll. Breathe it in, let the rhythm flow. Herb of the soul, where the good vibes grow. A leaf, a spark.
journey taken in one place. Time bends slow, the heart beats wide. The herb, it takes you deep inside.
Beneath the sun where shadows crawl, I hear the earth's heartbeat call. Roots so deep they crack the stone. Branches sway but never fall. The lion roars through it all. A king who walks this world alone.
Stand tall, through the fire. any and any way. No more can she give. What you gonna do? No way to live. So Madda urging our play. And you can go on like I saw if you stay. And me hear the people I say, no more Babylon, they can't take no more. Madda urging a play. Them can't deal with arena no any and any way. No more can she give. What you gonna do? No way to live. So Madda urging a play. And you can go on like I saw if we stay. And me hear the people I say, no more Babylon, they can't take no more. Mount of Zion where the rivers run deep, roots are tangled where the ancients sleep. Sunrise whispers through the banyan trees, a place of wisdom carried by the breeze. On Mount of Zion hear the drumbeat call, rise up higher where no shadows fall. Mount of Zion where the soul feels free, a rhythm eternal like the endless sea. Rain falls softly on the sacred ground, echoes of stories in the hills resound. Steps are heavy but the heart is light, guided by stars in the velvet night. Every stone a memory, every leaf a hymn. Oh Mount of Zion hear the drumbeat call, rise up higher where no shadows fall. Mount of Zion where the soul feels free, a rhythm eternal like the endless sea. Just light shining through the misty veil, even when the winds howl and the spirits wail. Dance to the heartbeat, let the chains unwind. Mount of Zion's peace will clear your mind. Oh Mount of Zion, hear the drumbeat call, rise up higher where no shadows fall. Mount of Zion where the soul feels free, a rhythm eternal like
replied. River of lion, where do you go? River of lion, what do you know? River of lion, take it slow, take it slow. I follow the trail
deep where the shadows dance. Ancient rhythms, they pull you into a trance. The wind hums secrets if you take the chance. Close your eyes, let the spirit flow. In the flames, there's all you need to know. Spiritual flames, they burn, turning the night into lessons to learn. Spiritual flames, they burn. Feel the fire, let your soul take its turn. The beat of the drum, it carries me far through the haze, past the last bright star. A spark of truth, no matter where you are. Spiritual flames, they burn, turning the night into lessons to learn. Spiritual flames, they burn. Feel the fire, let your soul take its turn.
Under the banyan tree we gather tight, smoke curling up to kiss the night, whispering secrets to the starlit sky. Spliff for Jah, burn it high, burn it far. Spliff for Jah, light the fire in your heart. Drums rolling like thunder through the hills, bassline thumping, giving me chills. Every puff a prayer, every breath a thrill. The wind carries the smoke away, but the spirit always stays. Spliff for Jah, burn it high, burn it far. Spliff for Jah, light the fire in your heart. Ashes to the ground, roots in the earth. From every ember we find rebirth. The rhythm guides us, the beats our word.
the fire waits. Roots run deep where the spirit shakes. Wisdom whispers in the mountains haze. Oh Jah, your love's an endless blaze. Throne of Zion, high and true. Throne of Zion, calling you. The rhythm flows, the heart beats on. Throne of Zion, where we belong. Rivers dance and the hills rejoice. Drums are talking with a righteous